Hi everyone, once again welcome to Digital Journey. In this video we'll discuss about how you can create automated ads in Facebook. So for creation of automated ads in Facebook Meta Business Suite, so just you have to log in into the Meta Business Suite. Once you will log in into the Meta Business Suite, you will have to select your page, like on which page you want to run ads. So currently we are running ads on this page, so just click on this. And now you will see ads option. So click on the ad option, this page will be reflected here. Now you have to click on the create ad. Once you will click on the create ad, you will see three options: the automated ads, choose a goal, and boost content. All the three promote are different. In this video we are going to discuss automated ads. So for creation of the automated ads, just have to click on the get started. Once you will click on the get started, it will be redirected to the automated ads parts. So this will ask some information. The first one is the location. Do you want to people to come to your business location? If you want the customer can visit your store, the customer can visit your office, then pick on the yes, otherwise no. Click on the save button. The second option it will pick, do you have a website? So if you have a business website, then you can put it yes, otherwise it no. Click on the next part. So here the second question is, do people buy product on your website? Like your website is some kind of the e-commerce website, like people can purchase the product, the people can do the shopping from the online. If yes, then click on the yes, otherwise no. Click on the next. Now the third question is, do people appointment book appointment on your website? If yes, click on the yes, otherwise no. So as you can see, the next question is, do you get leads through your website? Like in your website there is just some kind of the form, like contact form, your lead submission form, and that people can leave their information. So you can yes, otherwise no. So click on the save. Now the question is there, like contact option. The third step will be contact. Like do you want to people to contact you? Like people can contact you after seeing their ads, your ads. So if the people can contact you, then yes, otherwise no. Click on the next. So now it is saying that how do you want people to contact you? Like they can call me, they say contact information, I contact them. So these are the steps that you can perform, like how the people can contact from the ads. So click on the save. Now the audience part is there, and this it is saying that where is your audience located. And audience located means if you are doing the business only in Gurgaon location, so you have to select the Gurgaon location here. You have to select the Gurgaon location. So if you are targeting the local area, then you can target your local area audience. If you're targeting the complete countrywide, then you can target the complete country. So this is normal process, normal step from that we can identify where is your audience located. Now click on the next. Once you will click on the next button, it is saying that okay, what are the some topics that your audience might like. In this, do you have to suppose you are dealing in the digital marketing agency, so we have to target, like you are in a website development agency, you will create the website for the business. So first what you have to do, you have to find the interest of your audience, like who has the business, who have the small business. So this kind of the interest people can contact you. Click on the save. Once the topic has been saved, like once you find the topic, so once you find the interest of your audience, then click on the save. Once fill all this information, click on the next button. So you will see that create your ad version, and that we have to select the six creative for our ads. Like just you have to click on the ad, and you can see whatever the content you have uploaded in the previous. So just you can select these topics, and you can just select. So here we have to add the photos for our ad creative, and this we can add six ad version. It can be in video form, it can be in or image form. Now next, click on the next. Once you will click on the next, it will building the ads. So here choose your goal option is there. So once done with all the steps in automated ads, the particular Facebook business will be analyzed the particular according to the business, like how the business is performing, what is the business audience, and how the business want to how the business want to connect with the customer. So all the information can be known by the Meta Business Suite. So now here it is saying that choose your goal. There are the multiple options here, as you can see here. Get more message on WhatsApp, get more message on Messenger. So basically this is the destination part. Like once the customer will see the ads, so how the customer can contact you, this is that part. So you can select anyone from there. Okay, so now the option is there. Like if you select for the get more software to the visitor, so you have to mention the website URL. Get more booking, so you have to paste the booking URL. It can be third party app or it can be your website URL. Get more traffic, you have to mention the website URL. Promote your contact info locally, so you have to mention your phone number. So on the basis of the destination goal, you have to provide information like on which destination you want to redirect the user. So now we are proceeding with the get more message on WhatsApp. So now the 5 ad version is showing here. Like in this way the 5 ads will be reflected, so you can customize each ad. This is the version 1 ad, and the version 1 ads you can change the headline text, you can change the description, you can change the button label, all the information you can change from here. You can also edit the creative part, and you can also delete this part. Here the preview will be reflected how the ads will be displayed. When you click on the see all preview, so it will be display all the preview. Like in Facebook the mobile feed will be look like, Facebook feed in stream video will be look like. So you can see all the type of the part, like how our ads will be reflected in different format. So this is the main headlines. In that these headlines will be reflected here. This is the quick headlines from that customer will engage. Like this can be get for free quote, that this can be book free consultation. So we can keep this kind of the headlines. The description part is there. This description will be reflected here, and some parts of the description will be reflected here. So this is the main part. So in this same way we have the 5 version of the ads. Then you can customize the 5 version of ads via the clicking one by one click on each version of the ads. So now from this all 5 version you can just edit your ads. You can customize for each creative. Like you can write the separate headline, you can write a separate description for each creative. Now the setting option is there, and the setting option you can see that the daily budget option is there. When you will click edit, so you will see the daily budget, like on each day how much budget you want to spend per day. So the minimum is the 84.46 rupees, and you can see that in 84.46 rupees it is the estimated reach, like between 2100 to 6200 the account center can be reached. The reach can become between 2.1k to 6.2k in 84.46 rupees. Suppose if we going to increase the budgets, then reach will also increase. You can see here the budget will increase, the reach will increase. So this is budget part. Just have to select the budget and you have to click on the save. So this is the quick overview is there, that we are adding the budget of the 200, and we can estimated daily result we can get it's 5.1, say between 14.7k we can get the reach, and number of the conversation we can get, this is the 14 to 39. Now the duration is there. In this duration you can see that the continuous duration is there. We can automatically adjust your ad for better performance. You can add it or turn off automated ads at any time. And the continuous, you can see that basically we doesn't need to manage or optimize your ads. The Facebook automated ads will automatically apply the changes that Facebook wants to apply you to gain the better result from the campaign that can be applied. But manually we can turn it on or off the campaign. The special ad category is there. In the special ad category, there's some ad categories there like social issue, housing, employment. If your ad is within this category, so you can select this category. Otherwise, just you have to close this. Like it doesn't need to any category. The audience is there. In the audience, you can select, like you can create new audience. Basically in that selector you have to select like whom you are targeting, like the man, the woman, what is the age group that you are targeting. You have to mention the location. If you are targeting the local area, so you have to write here Gurgaon, Delhi, something location. This is the detailed targeting. This is the detailed targeting in that you can find the people according to your interest. So this is normal way from that we can create at the edit advantage audience. In this we can classify our audience, and otherwise we can also create the audience list from there. Whatever the audience list we have created in the past, this will be reflected here. Just we have to click on this and the audience details will be reflected here. Click on the choose audience. So as you can see that from here we can choose the audience, like to whom we want to show the ads. The placement is there, and the placement we can see that we have the three options. The first one, Facebook, Instagram or Messenger. So from Facebook we are running the ads, so we can't disable the Facebook option, but on Instagram and Messenger that we can uncheck. You can see there. Okay, so from here we can decide like on which platform we want to show this ad. Once you will done with the selection for all these steps, just have to click on the publish button. Once you will click on the publish button, this ad will be published. So here you can see that the payment method is there, that is the 214. This is the available credit in Facebook ads, and from here you can see the payment summary. Like you have mentioned the budget of 200 rupees, the GST will be 236, but per day daily budget will be 236 after the implementation of the GST part. So this is just normal a process like how you can set up the automated ads. If you have any question, you can ask him in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care.